Hey, what's going on? I'm gonna try to shoot this video quickly as I can. We have a client coming to this house. I wanted to make a couple suggestions. So this is the side door, and it's got some dents. It has some dents in it and scratches. So either those need to be fixed and painted or replace the door. And also it has this big bolt looking thing on it. The inside of the door actually looks pretty fine. The kitchen. So the cabinets look really fresh and nice. They're white. And you got a stainless steel hood top. So that looks nice. But the backsplash doesn't really look so good. So I would suggest to glaze that white. Just use the tub stuff. You can just glaze that. Also, this dishwasher looks really nice. However, if you open it up, it's super scuzzy. If we could just clean that, that'd be great. Same thing inside the cabinets. They just need to be cleaned in general. Let's see if we can open these up. What was that? No. These floors have come along. They look really good. Overall, these doors look really nice. So it's a good job. You know, these are nice that they're copper and ornate, but the reality is these plugs look like they're shot. So they need to be replaced, and those plug covers need to be really nicely painted white, like the baseboards, to make them pop really nice. All right. Just really simple little things. Let's see this door. Christina, was this door changed? So we had got some feedback that this door looked like it was beat with a hammer. Okay, I can still just barely see it, but it looks a lot better than it did before. That was actually one of the main reasons why I was shooting this video, and the door looks a lot better than it did before. So good job on that. We need a light switch here. People notice these things, and I know because they keep telling me. We're showing the house and they're telling me. Same thing with the backsplash. Glaze that white. You know, you can glaze this countertop right while you're at it. That's not gonna cost that much at all. Now these spots, they're open, and that's fine, but you know, they just need to look appealing. So they just need to some fresh paint as well, because either you need some appliances or some fresh paint. All right. The tile, can't really do anything about the tiles being cracked. However, just to make it look amazing, if you just put a really good cleaning on the tile and then regrouted the tile, it would actually look quite amazing. Because these floors, I mean, that's a natural stone. It's going to come back and pop and look the best it can. Bathroom is really impressive. Only little thing I would say here is, okay, so this is caulk that is not paintable that has been used. So I know you can't paint over that. And then that needs a outlet cover. So what we need to do here is go over this with some paintable caulk and then paint it so it looks finished, because you have such a beautiful sink in here. You might as well have it looking amazing. All right. So, same thing with the flooring here. You know, this is a natural stone. If it can get polished up a little bit, that would be great. You guys did a wonderful job in this room. If we can just get rid of the, little junk in the closet, which is not much, but excellent job in this room. Excellent job. This room is definitely a winner. And actually, even this remnant, I don't know if that necessarily needs to be here. This room, just paint this white. It looks like that was going to happen and it just got missed. We need some lights in here because this room is a little dark. So if we could have some lights, and same thing, just kind of get rid of the junk. It looks like someone left the cabinet, closet doors and things open, like they were looking at, like they really wanted. When you look in the closets and things like that, that's normally when you really want to buy a place. So that's good. However, it is just little pieces of trash in every closet. So if we can get this stuff out of here, that would be magnifico. And that leaves a little touch up. Again, overall, I'm telling you, the place looks good. These little things mean a lot because the people that were coming through. Did you see the door? Looks better, huh?
Does it?
Yeah, did you take a look? I'm video. How does it look? The same? No, it was this side that was so beat up. No? It was this side?
It's this side.
Oh, my, you're right. Oh, man.
That's what he saw when he came
You're
in.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you text them too when you have a minute? You're right.
They're pulling in.
Oh, they are? Okay, well, our clients are pulling in. Looks like we're going to have to stop the tape, but there was that got painted, so that's good. Let's see if they added the other light bulb. Let's see here. Nope. All right, so we need just some matching light bulbs. And we need some bright lights in here. Okay. Okay, this is it.